Hey guys, it's Palak here, and today I'm going to share the basic knowledge about our heart. This includes the external circulation of our heart, and I will let you know about some facts about our heart. So, watch this video till the end. So, what is heart? Heart is a muscular organ that acts as a pump. It beats throughout the year and provides blood efficiently to each cell of the body. Heart is located in the thoracic cavity located in the chest. Its lower tip is slightly tilted towards the left. If heart stops working, you cannot live because the pump that provides blood efficiently to each cell has stopped and no nutrients required by your body could be transported from the heart to the body part. Now, the size of a heart. A heart is roughly the size of a fist. Here, what is blood? Blood is a fluid that flows in blood vessels. It contains many cells in it. What are properties of blood? So, first, it carries digested food from the small intestine to rest of the body. Second, it carries oxygen from the lungs to each cell of the body. Third, it carries waste for removal from the body. And last but not the least, that it regulates the body temperature. What are components of blood? Blood is composed of plasma. Plasma is a yellow colored fluid and 95% of plasma holds water. Blood also consists of many cells. For example, red blood cells, also known as RBC, white blood cells, also known as WBC, and platelets. Red blood cells. RBC contains a red pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen and provides it to each cell of the body. Without hemoglobin, it will be difficult to provide oxygen to every cell of the body. Due to this red pigment, that is hemoglobin, the blood appears red. White blood cells. So, WBC are the cells that fight against germs that may enter our body. So now we can say that WBC are the soldiers of our body that protects us from these harmful germs. Platelets. So yesterday I was playing down with my friends. I fell down and got a cut on my knee. Blood oozed out. But after some time I noticed that a dark red clot was formed on the cut and blood stopped flowing. You might wonder how? I have the answer to this question. This happens because of another cells present in the blood known as platelets. So, what are blood vessels? There are mainly two types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated or pure blood from the heart to rest of the body, and veins carry deoxygenated blood or impure blood containing wastes from rest of the body back to the heart. Arteries contain thick walls and veins don't contain thick walls. They have thin walls. You might wonder, why are arteries having thick elastic walls? This is because our heart pumps blood under very high pressure. So, to resist that high pressure, our arteries contain thick elastic walls. There are no valves present in the arteries, but the veins contain valves. VALVES, valves. You might wonder, what are valves and why are valves present in veins? Valves are thin but strong tissues that acts as doors. They prevent the backflow of deoxygenated blood in the veins. Arteries are situated deep inside the skin and you're not able to see them, but veins are situated just under your skin and they are easily visible to you. Many people say that the veins are blue or green, etc. colored. No, you might see green or blue colored veins in your hands, but no, they are not green or blue colored. That is because of the. So now let us know about the external circulation of heart. Here I have a schematic diagram telling the circulation of blood. Let's have a look. So this is how it looks like. You all know what is our heart, what are lungs, what are veins and what are arteries. but you don't know what are pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, and capillaries. Soon, I will let you know about their function. The deoxygenated travels through the veins to the heart. From here, this impure blood goes to pulmonary arteries. From the pulmonary arteries to the lungs, where it gets oxygenated through the lungs to the pulmonary veins. From the pulmonary veins, these oxygenated blood travels to the heart. From the heart, through arteries to rest of the body. You might be thinking that the veins carry deoxygenated blood from rest of the body to the heart and arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to rest of the body. Then how pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs and how veins carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? I have an answer to this question. You know, our heart is known as a double circulatory system because it pumps blood twice, once for the oxygenated blood and another for the deoxygenated blood. Now you might be thinking, what are capillaries? In many parts of the body, such as tissues and cells, the arteries and veins are not able to go and provide it with oxygenated blood or take deoxygenated blood from them. In these cases, arteries and veins further divide into smaller vessels known as capillaries. What are the function of capillaries? Function of capillary is exchange of materials such as food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc.